Hello folks, this is Jason Klinkenbeard with Rivers West Auction and Auction Time. We're up here in Polson, Montana today. I've got a couple of these 53-foot trailers. This one here was a reefer. It's been, well actually they were both originally utility reefers, but the reefers have been pulled off and they've been sealed up. They're nice 53-foot dry vans. This one here is a 2013, and I'll just kind of walk around and show you real clean, straight trailers. The kingpin on that's about 36 inches back. Good landing gear. It's got your skirts on it. It's real bright out here, but the side panels are immaculate. Aluminum wheels inside and out all the way around, and there's 4 brand new tires out of the 8, and the other ones aren't too bad. There's I think one of them's wore a little thinner than the other 3 that aren't brand new, but pretty good shape. 3 brand new airbags. The rear axle brakes or I should say the right side brakes, would be the passenger side. They're in great shape, plenty of life. The driver's side brakes are just showing a little more wear. They're going to need to be addressed at some point, but they're still, you know, nearly a ½ inch, I'll say, on those. But that's just something that he wanted me to point out, and I climbed under there, and he's exactly right. They got these nice swing away doors, and I'll show you inside here. There you go. Great shape. All the interior is intact and solid. Corrugated aluminum floor. I'll post the weights. He's got all the empty weights on these, so you've got that for your you know, doing your calculations. So you can see here, again, the doors are good. We're kind of backed up near a tree here, but again, aluminum wheels, good rubber. 3 new airbags, this one here on the back and both front axles. That's the only one that hasn't been replaced. But no, this trailer's ready to go down the road. As you can see here, great shape on the sidewall. I mean, there's a couple of small scratches, like where's that one at in the frame there? There we go, right there. And I mean, just real minute out there. Other than that, the other side's perfect. Again, skirts. There you go, folks. 2013 53-foot utility reefer conversion to dry van. Polson, Montana.